Hello viewers, today I am going to speak about one Jyotish app. Its name is Cosmic Insights. It looks like this. You can find it on Google Play Store. At the beginning, you will find the location. You can set the location according to the GPS, or you can manually input. After that, you can just check out the date, like for example, if you want to put certain dates of a month, then you can adjust it. Then you will get the panchang of the day. You can check out transit remedies as well, but the thing with these things is that they are costly. So but you don't need these things. You can just check this panchang. I'll share another app which is good for checking out the panchang. This is Tithi Yoga. This is also quite costly. My favorite thing about this app is that Hora. Hora is the time of the day which has a respective planetary influence. You can check this out and check out which planet is affecting you the most. Then you can check out this Panchapakshi bird. For me, it is a peacock. Nakshatra Explorer and other things are for the premium users. Then I'll like to say about this transit reports and panchangs. Today's transit, like you can check out what planetary positions are at this time. You can also check the hora from here, and you can check the chart directly, like present time chart. It is available in three formats: north, south, east, and you can check out the nakshatras also. Another thing is there, it's called the prashna chart, but I do not recommend this. You can go for astrologers for this purpose. You can check today's nakshatra, which is very important. The gocha transit calendar is also costly, so just avoid it. You can check out the nakshatra, which is divided pada wise, which is very efficient for the astrologers. Then you have the Brahma Muhurta, which is one of the most important time of the day to start anything. Other small informations you will get in this app. You can see these things are quite important if you are studying astrology. And you can also read articles from this app, like they have been written by experts who are managing this app. You can just click on them and you will be taken to the blog website of this company, Cosmic Insight, and there you can read, like this one is for the nine planets remedies. So like this you will get many such blogs. You can read them. These are completely free, and you will also find researchers. Some books are there which are in the premium versions, but you have to buy those books obviously. And researchers on charts of celebrities, then the chart generator, everything is for the premium users. You can check out the reports. This is my report place. So there is Ganesha report, powerful days to donate, and everything. You can find out like which is the best Ganesha for you. Like if you want to have a picture in your phone or in your room for Lord Ganesha, then you can check out which is the best for you according to your planetary conditions. You can read them out. Then you have the plan powerful days to donate. Like certain days are there which if you donate it will be beneficial. Then you have the Saturnian days, like the days on which the Saturn effects will be more. These are for me. So on those days you have to do certain rituals which have been also mentioned over in this app. Next you can just check out the personality report, which is good, but I recommend you to go for a proper astrologer, an expert astrologer, instead of depending on these reports. But you can get a brief idea about what is your planetary conditions. Short paragraphs are mentioned. Then there are free rituals, like for these things this astrologers will take a good lump sum amount, but here you will get it for free. There are certain mantras, rituals, and certain temples that you need to visit according to your planetary conditions. So this is good. Mostly astrologers won't share this information, but this app has everything provided according to your birth details. You can also find the uh, remedies for your relationships, like one seventh house is meant for relationships and marriage, so you can find the mantras, rituals, and any other things that can improve your relationship. Then you have some other rituals for job satisfactions, and this is my favorite. This is planets on fingers, like you have fixed planetary mantras which personalized for you, so you can check them out as well. And some more stuff, but most of them are for premium users. Now you can check out the current transit chart for your profile, like for your birth detail. You can check that out also. There are some other settings which you can change. If you are an astrology student, you can use this very well. This is ascendant lagna. For moon lagna you can change it on your own. But this is specifically for the astrology students and not for everyday people. If you know about astrology, then it is good for you, but in total this app is absolutely fantastic. You can take a look. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.